Hi friends. So my name is Virat, as you know, and so much sorry. I uploaded my video at least 10 to 3 months, almost 10 to 3 months. I uploaded this video on YouTube, so I'm really sorry to you. I'm really sorry. And today we will continue our series how to make four flags on 4x4 cube. So let's begin. So four. How many flags we made? I think three. Yeah. So only one flag is red. Yeah. Yeah. I'm right. Um. So let's begin. So you need to first make this. Okay. This is a shortcut method. Okay. First this you have to make, and then you have to in the top you have to make a a red layer. In top you have to make a red layer. So I meet you later. So till that time, bye. So yeah friends, I made it, and you have to rotate the top layer that we made it top now. So you have to rotate like clockwise, and red will come to the down, right? So you have to now, because white is in top. Okay, so you have to now make the middle layer as whole blue, only blue, whole. Okay, so I make it, and then I will meet you. Bye bye. Still laughing. So this is a Russian flag. This is a Russian flag. Okay, this is a Russian flag. And I checked my YouTube studio, and I see that you are not subscribing and not liking my videos. How? You have to like and subscribe, and you know what to do after watching this video. Like, share and subscribe. Till that time, bye.